I'm sailing toward home on the old ship of Zion. I see